Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become an axolotl on Dress to Impress. So for the skin tone, I just use this color, and I'm going to get this off the shoulder top, and I'll select this color. Then go to this area and select this like mermaid hand thing. Select this for the first one, the second one I'm going to use this one, and the third one I'll use this color again. Then we're going to need this tail. We're going to color it this, and the second one this color, and the third one white, like so. Okay, once you've got that, you're going to select this like cape thing and color it the same. Select this and color it black for the eyes. It's already looking super cute. Now for the gills, we're going to go to this hair section, and you will need to use this one. Select no bangs and select this hair color. Then we're also going to use this, and we're going to select these colors for kind of like the gills. And you can stop there for a no VIP look, but you can also add in the like cape thingy for the last touch. You don't need it because it's completely optional. Just toggle the cape to be off. Color these colors the same except for number 5. I'm just gonna color it this, but like a little bit darker and a little bit redder. And from the top, it looks like an axolotl. Well, from this side. And that is it. That's how you can create an axolotl on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!